Okay, we're going to show you how to replace a part number 8 cross member with thumb latch and trigger. First thing you want to do is put a screwdriver in the bottom of the shaft to stop it from spinning while you remove the ratchet handle. And that's a 7/16 nut that holds that ratchet handle into place. Alright, next thing you're going to do is remove the existing rivets. You want to use a center punch to give your drill bit a good start, because the heads of these rivets are round, as you can see. A nice starting point for your drill. The drill size we are using here is a 1/4 inch. See that rivet head comes off quite easy once it's pulled out. Sometimes you got to get a little elbow grease to get those out. You can go ahead and use probably a Phillips head screwdriver, just tap out the existing rivet. And for those of you who have older dollies, you can see that there are holes for rivets that go into the front of the side rail. Your replacement cross member will not have those holes, as they are not required, as we use thicker rivets and thicker bolts than the original ones. That's why you only have 4 holes and 4 bolts for your replacement cross member. Okay, now that you got the rivets off, you go ahead and just pull that broken cross member off. If it's not broken in half like that one is, you can just slide it further up. Make sure that you have the cross member installed the correct way with this thumb latch and trigger on the bottom. Okay. Go ahead and slide the shaft back through. Line up the holes with the bolts provided. Again, these are 1/4 inch bolts and nuts. Do not over tighten. Just get them nice and snug. You don't want to snap those bolts. And please refer to our video on how to put on the ratchet handle. There's a little trick to it, and we'll show you in the part number 7 ratchet handle video.